What's up guys, Rand Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we are going to check out NOMAD's modern leather case and modern leather folio case for the all new iPhone 13, 13 Pro, and 13 Pro Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So once again, one of my favorite leather cases for the iPhone has returned in their new modern leather case and modern leather folio case, one in black, one in brown, and of course you can get them in either color for each case. The cases come in your traditional cardboard NOMAD packaging, which you can easily recycle. And the first thing that we get here is the new modern leather case, and same thing with the leather folio, slides out. And here we have the leather folio edition of the modern case. Take a closer look at this case here before we slap the iPhone in. These are hybrid style cases. You have a polycarbonate back shell wrapped with this beautiful Horween leather. On the sides is this flexible rubber TPU material. And on the inner portion, you also have this microfiber line backing to cushion the back of your phone. You can already tell the circle means that these are Magsafe compatible. Here's a quick look at the wallet edition here, identical to the modern case. The only exception, of course, is that you have the addition of the Folio Flap. One new feature that I noticed with these cases is this new button cover design, which you can see here are separate plastic pieces from the case, so hopefully this should improve tactile feedback and basically just the overall function and feeling of an actual button. Alright, so let's slap my brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max into one of these cases. We'll start off with the modern case. Slides in pretty easily, and we're pretty much set to go. Alright, taking a quick overview of this case. Starting off at the top here, we do have an excellent amount of top protection with the TPU material wrapped around the entire border of the iPhone and lips just above the glass display. I do have a tempered glass screen protector on my iPhone right now, which the case doesn't seem to be interfering with. Keep in mind, it's actually an iPhone 12 screen protector on top of my iPhone 13. I haven't been able to get an iPhone 13 screen protector quite yet, hence why the cutout for the earpiece is a little bit off. Moving towards the side of the case, we have covers for the volume rockers. You still get a nice tactile feedback when you press on them. Same thing with the power button on the other side. And of course, a little cutout for the vibrate and ringer switch. On the bottom of the case, you have 3 individual cutouts for the stereo speakers, mic, and lightning ports. Last but not least, on the back here, we do have that Horween leather in black that wraps around the entire back and partially around the borders of the iPhone. I also like how NOMAD didn't put any branding on the back of the leather. I like the clean, plain, simple look that this case offers. And of course, we have a cutout here for the triple lens camera module with a blacked out border to prevent any flash issues, and seems to be compatible with my camera lens protector that I have on top as well. Alright, next up we're going to check out the leather folio edition. So here's what the leather folio edition looks like on the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Again, it's pretty much identical to the modern folio. The only difference, of course, is that it's in this very nice luxurious brown, but of course you can get it in black, and the added addition of the Folio Flap here. So I'll go over the newer stuff on the folio edition here. Everything on the bottom case here is identical to the modern case, so that's all the same. The new edition, of course, is the Folio Flap here. This is actually one piece of leather that goes all the way across. This is just a crease here, but it's actually one piece of leather that wraps around the entire back and front, which I think looks pretty neat. The front flap does feature this additional stitching that goes all the way around the border. And just like the back of the NOMAD cases, the front here, there's no branding or anything like that. It's a nice, clean, simple, luxurious leather look. Alright, so here's a quick look at what the wallet portion looks like here. You can see you can fit 3 cards as well as a bill section. With Canadian bills, the length of this is actually a little bit too small, but you might be able to get away with it with American bills for those of you down in the States. Now you could double up some of these pockets here with 2 cards instead of 1. That being said, even with 3 cards in it right now, it's already starting to make the flap a little bit bulky. In addition, for those of you who want to use this as a wallet style case, I do recommend having a screen protector on your iPhone, or else the plastic cards can and will rub against the display of your phone. Almost forgot, here's a quick demo of the MagSafe and wireless charging with this case. As you guys can see here, the MagSafe does work with the NOMAD cases. Here's another demo with Apple's external battery MagSafe wireless charger. Sticks on, doesn't come off, and charges. Overall, guys, for those of you looking for a clean, genuine leather case for your brand new iPhone 13, and you want something that is still leather, but you don't want one of those ugly, chunky leather ones that you see some leather companies offer for iPhone cases, then the NOMAD Modern Leather Case is certainly a great choice. The Modern case is also a great alternative to Apple's own leather case, which I have here, which you can see they're largely identical. If you get the black one at least. The only advantage with the Apple ones is that you do have multiple colors available and the added addition of the Apple logo engraved in the center there, which of course is something that NOMAD can't legally do. And between the NOMAD case and the Apple case, I find the Horween leather to be a little bit more durable than Apple's sheepskin leather that they use here. And on top of that, NOMAD's case is a little bit more protective thanks to its thicker borders and its hybrid design. In terms of any cons or changes I would make with this case, I would recommend maybe extending the microfiber line backing to the sides as well, so that the chrome sides on the iPhone are a little bit more protected. The only con I can mention with the Folio version here is that if you need to access the volume controls, you have to have the flap open because it is very difficult to find them with the thick leather on top. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions or comments about the NOMAD Modern case, ask away in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.